I can.
Operate the switch.
You want me to hold your?
You have to operate the
Oh,
switch.
okay.
I have to be the one to do this.
Okay.
Try not to flick the switch again. Hold it down. It'll keep blowing. Just hold it down. Don't let it fail. Don't let it blow the breaker.
No, just wait. It's.
You have to not let it blow the breaker. What are you doing? You're not holding on to it tight enough.
No.
It wants to blow the breaker. Force it to not blow the breaker. That's why you have to do it though. That's the only option. You have to allow it to blow the breaker. That's the only option here. Must have went off. Oh, yes. Oops. Damn it.
Okay.
Unplug it. Welded.